you've decided to get into Real Robots, the interactive robot magazine. Soon you'll learn everything there is to know about robots and get all you need to build an intelligent robot of your own. Real Robots is the ultimate robot magazine series, researched and compiled by the experts. Real Robots gives you up-to-the-minute robot news, reviews, competitions, plus the latest in cutting-edge cyber science. With every issue, you'll find great articles about how robots are made and work, real-life robots in action, well-known celebrity robots like Terminator and Bicentennial Man, and battling robots with experienced advice from the stars of Robot Wars.
Building things from next to nothing and learning about it. So you don't have to be a whiz kid, you don't have to have a degree in electronics. No, a lot of common sense and above all the will to make one.
And with every issue, you'll receive an individually packaged consecutive collection of real robot parts. So you can start building Cybot, your very own intelligent robot. Cybot's sophisticated array of electronics could make you believe he really does have a mind of his own. He will have an incredible amount of functions which can be used with, but most importantly without, remote control. He can negotiate a black line in line follow mode, dodge danger in avoidance mode, react to light in light follow mode, and even follow you round in follow me mode. Your robot will also happily play with other Cybots. You can customize him with an amazing set of add-ons, and eventually even program him from your PC. Cybot's an extraordinary creation. His sturdy, sleek body offers resilience and style, while his delicate electronic components are cleverly protected to maximize damage control. Cybot started out as a lab prototype, designed by the dedicated cybernetics team at Reading University. Your robot was originally called a dwarf because there were 7 of them. Led by Professor Kevin Warren, this prototype took the team 7 years to develop and refine. Remarkably, the dwarf was the first small robot to use ultrasonic sensors to hear sounds reflected from objects and react to them, much like a bat.
This is one of the original 7 dwarf robots. This has got ultrasonic sensors, high-frequency sound sensors, so it sends out a signal, bing, and if there's nothing there, the signal just goes and goes and goes. If there is an object there, the signal bounces back, so it goes bing, bong, so the robot knows that there's something there, how far away it is. It can do that on the left and the right. It's actually got a brain on the top of its head that tells it what to do with the signals, so it's essentially taking in signals. It knows where it is if there's something in the way, and then it can move its wheels around to move forwards, get out of the way, whatever we've set the robot up to do.
The team then set about increasing the amount of functions on the robot. A new series of modes was required for the build-up version, which involved a complete overhaul of the robot's electronic system.
The big challenge was to get this to do lots more things, and here we have Cybot. Now Cybot's got exactly the same ultrasonic sensors as the original 7 dwarfs, but this can follow lines, it can detect light, either react to light, move away from it, move towards it, all sorts of things. But there's even more. With the addition of an extra board, you will be able to actually program this robot to do particular things. Effectively, you'll be able to make it think. Now, to me, this is by far the most important thing for robots, how intelligent they are. Detect that their whole behavior, their whole life is based on how they think, and you will be able to make them think.
The dwarf's body had to be redesigned. so that it could be simply built without soldering. It also needed its own unique look and character. A design team came on board to create a 3D animated drawing of the robot.
This is Cybot. It looks really good, it's intelligent, everybody's dream for a robot. Now you can have it too.
A working prototype was created, and after months of testing and modification, we were ready for the final part of the puzzle. In China, a new team of engineers took the drawings and produced a working robot that you could ultimately build yourself. A production line was set up for each body part. Each component was separately tested at every stage. And finally, Cybot, the intelligent build-your-own robot, was born. Now, before you can play, you have to build. Every issue of Real Robots comes with a package of parts. You'll find easy assembly instructions in the Cybot step-by-step section of the magazine. Cybot starts working very quickly, so you won't have long to wait. Because of the brilliance and simplicity of Cybot's design, all you'll need is a screwdriver, preferably magnetized. In issue 1, you'll get the chassis, the gearbox housing, an ingenious 3-piece gearing system, and the back axle. Fit these items together and screw to the chassis. Cybot comes with 2 high-grade motors for maximum power. Grease the gears and fit the motors into position. Slot the front axle into its housing on the chassis. This enables Cybot to move through 360 degrees. The mechanical system that drives the robot is now in position. Add the battery box and 4 1.5 volt batteries. Fix the bumpers. Fit the switch. Add the power circuit board. And your robot is ready to take its first steps. This will all be possible after only 4 issues of the magazine. Now you're ready to add some personality. With the front shield which houses the sensors. With the light sensors in place, together with a special board and programmed microprocessor, Cybot is ready to seek out light sources. Natural and artificial. After you fit Cybot's nose, he'll be able to follow straight or curved lines. Add some flashing lights. 4 more sensors, another neatly stacked circuit board, and a processor. And Cybot is ready to dodge any danger that's put in its way. Change Cybot's mode and it will even follow you around. Sometimes uninvited. Cybot's tough, but you'll want to protect its delicate circuitry with these flexible body panels, which really do complete his look. This is only the beginning. Soon you'll receive Cybot's remote control box so that you can switch modes and control Cybot without moving a muscle. Don't forget, Cybot likes company. But you may want to customize your robot so that you can tell him apart from his friends. You'll even be able to program Cybot from your PC. Downloading programs we provide you with, as well as writing some of your own. Real Robots also has a fantastic website, allowing you to shop and order extra parts, chat, exchange ideas, and talk to our resident robot expert, lead of the team that created Cybot. Get into Real Robots, the magazine, the robot, the website, the fun. Start building now. See ya.